Hello guys, welcome to my very first YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3D custom models for Minecraft for 1.16.4. So the very first thing you want to do is create a folder, and the folder you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it tutorial. No, I'm going to call it example pack. So I don't know if I spelled that right. My thing is bad. So you're going to go in, and in here you want to create a new folder, and that one's called new folder. That one's going to be called assets. Sorry for the knocking in the background. That's just some workers. So then what you're going to want to do is paste the pack. Remember, this guys is going to be in the description. So if you're now watching this video and you're in 1.17, then here's got to go a 7. But we're in 16, so it's 6. So we just want to do that. Yes. Okay. So after you've done that, you want to have then the photo of whatever you want to have. So, so I'm just gonna have this default photo here. Wait, this default photo right here. So after you've done that, you are nearly ready to go. And by the way, this file's gotta be a pack.mcmeta file. So once you go to that, you want to go in assets. Then in Minecraft, you want to make a folder that's called Minecraft. And you want to go in Minecraft and create a new folder. It's going to be called models. Then in that folder, there's going to be a folder called item. And another one that is going to be called custom. So after you've done that, you can then close this. You can just keep that up there for ease of use on the desktop. So what you're then going to want to do is open up Blockbench. If you don't have Blockbench, it's going to be a link in the description. So there's going to be a link in the description, and then it's going to take you to blockbench.net. Remember, blockbench.net. Want to go? I highly recommend downloading it, or you can just use the open web app, but I really highly recommend download it. After you got it, you can open it up here. Here you can see I've done a lot of stuff. You want to create a new Java block item, and then here you can call it whatever. I'm just going to call it hammer. Yeah, hammer. Yeah. And the rest you can just leave. So now we're here in the hammer folder. With a scroll wheel, you can zoom in, zoom out. With the right one, you can drag it around the thing, and with left one, you can pan. I think I don't really know what it's called, but you can like move around with left, right this, left this, and scroll wheel to zoom in. So what I do is Control N. I just take it about in the middle, where I think the middle is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I hold down Alt, drag this out and this out like this. I go on top and have a guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the 8 is gonna go from here to there. So that's the middle. Then I zoom back in, press down Alt, and then press down shift, and that's gonna make it in quarters now, in quarters. So what I want to do is make it 1 in, so it's 1 in on every side, on each side, sorry. There. Then you want to hold down Alt Shift again, and then just make it go down 1, 2. Yeah, just 2 I would say, or even just go down. Sorry, Alt Shift. It's got a full block. Yes. Wait, Control N. God, just bring another block in just to see if it's the right height. No, it's not. Shift Alt down 1. That's when I can just delete with right click and then press delete. Okay, so here you got this part, and now what I like to do is press Control N again, and then here we're gonna make the handle. So you're gonna just drag it in like that. Remember, Alt 1 and 2. Just drag it out like that. You can bring it up. Then you can press Shift and Alt, hold again, and then here you just want to make it 1 quarter smaller than the block under it. And then you could just hold, then you can press space, and then it keeps it in this part, and so I just drag it up. Make sure there's no Z fade. And then what I like to do is go to display and always check how big the handle is going to be. So I want it to be like here, like that about, or a bit more like that, and so I know it's got to go a bit more down. And so I go then to edit, down, hold down, I just press space once, then I take it about 1, back to display, have a look, back to edit, hold down shift, then press shift alt, shift, display. That looks pretty good. Then I want to go to here, and then I'm gonna make the hammer part. So I'm gonna press Control N again to add another cube. This time I'm gonna put it in the middle, take it all the way up, and press space once, drag it over once and over again, then take it down. Take it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The hammer is a bit more big, so I'm gonna make it a bit more big. So edit this part, press space, take it all the way up. It's about good. Maybe more down. I'm sorry for the knocking in the background again. Click on this, drag it up, hold down shift, and down. Okay, so then I press down space again. Now just drag it out once and again. It's gonna be, that's gonna make the hammer. I'm just gonna drag it out a bit more. Yeah, that's about good. This I'm just gonna duplicate by press Control D, duplicates it as you can see. I'm just gonna drag it here. This one I can just press this. You can press this eye here, then makes it invisible, and so can then do this. Space, take it down. There about, make this not invisible, and there it is. So now you're here, what do you do? So you wanna save it. Here it's called hammer, as you can see, hammer down here. You wanna go up to you can press Control S or File and then Save Model. I already saved it before, but before I did some tries, and it's already called hammer. But here, about here, a window will pop up, and then here you down here you want to say you ask it how do you want to save it. I just called it a hammer, and then it says it automatically as a JSON, and then here you'll say saved ham whatever you called it, and then .json. And then if you want to continue working on this, just press Control S, and then you keep on saving it as hammer.json, and that will pop up when you've saved it. And then please save it onto the desktop. Here it is. So when you're here, you want to go on to import texture, Windows C, user, theta, app data, roaming, Minecraft. And by the way, the is whatever thing you named it, your how you are called or whatever your account is. I don't remember. But then from Minecraft, you go into Minecraft. In Minecraft, then you go into versions. Then you find your version. For me, in the case, it's 1.16.4. Assets, Minecraft, and then textures, and then block. And then here, as you can see, there are all type of textures. And what I see here is a hammer, and so this part I think will do good as a cobblestone. So go on to here, type in cobblestone. I take it and drag it in. Or you just press cobblestone, then you press open, and then it's there. You do the same process, but you just press import texture, and then on quick access you're already here. Then you type in whatever you want again. For me is stone. I just type that in, and then I find the stone cut at bottom very, I don't know, I like it for the hammer part. And then this part I'm gonna make it a spruce log. There. Open the PNG. So now you got it in here. So what you're gonna want to do now is take and drag onto the face that you want it. On every face that you want it, I'm just gonna drag it on this part. Yeah, and then under. And on top. So on top, you can click on it, and then here you can see where you want it to be, or you can say the size of it. So if you want it to be a whole block that's detailed, so if I make this very quick invisible, you can see it's like the whole block, but I don't want that, and I want it to be like just one part, and I'm gonna make it this part right here. This part right here. There, that part. Then I'm gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. I gotta remember that and go to. I just like to do it on the up and down. The sides I don't care. I just go into down. Sorry. Then I bring it down. I remember 1, 2. I remember 1, 2, 3, 4. So bring it down to here. Then 1, 2, 3. I bring it over, and I'll just make it bigger, and it's all the way to here. Remember that? I just drag it all the way to here and up and there. Now you have that part. The sides I don't really care. You can do it if you want to, but I don't do it. I then just repeat that with this. Make that part, that part, that part, that part, and that part. And so this part, I do it again. Maybe not that part, but this part maybe. This looks nice. There. About that. Then the sides I don't care about. It may look nicer with the sides on, but I don't care with the sides on. Then I go to this one and I just add this. the size, but this part I do care. This part I really like detailing because it's easy. So I'm on the north side now. Just want to make sure I'm doing it. Okay, so like to do it is make it 3 big. Then go on to the next side. Make it 3 big. No, north, oh south. South, that's going to be the other part. So this part, west, read this part. North, south, west, east. East right there. Okay, done. Up. That one you don't see, so that's okay. The sides maybe I do care a bit. Just gonna make them like that. Bits of everywhere. I don't really care about the sides that much. Like that. Sorry. In that part, I'm gonna make it same. I go into here and just rinse and repeat whatever the pattern you want it to be. And now I apply the stone cutter bottom that I absolutely love the texture, and I just do I do like that, then you've got it like that. Put it on this side, and then this side I want it to be. Then this one I want it to be the whole thing. Maybe this like this. Yeah, that looks good. You apply it to this side too. Put it down. Drag it. Yeah. So guys, after you've done all the textures that you would like, you press Control S, and that saved it. So at this part here, then you can close it up, and when you open this part up, it's got all of this part here. Okay. So guys, when you're here, you want to go to so you want to open up the Minecraft. So you press Windows R, then the run comes up, the run symbol, then you press Browse, then you're on Windows C, then you go to App Data, Roaming, Minecraft, and then you're at this part here, at the same part here that I put the shortcut to. So I'm just gonna close this and this. Then you're gonna be here from this part. Then what you're going to want to do is go to versions, 1.16.4, assets, Minecraft, not textures but models. What is it that you're going to be replacing, or what is going to be the thing that you're going to be, the custom model data going to be putting on. That's going to be a cobblestone shovel or whatever it's called. I'm just going to do shovel, I think that's how you write it. No, wait. Iron shovel. Iron shovel. So you wanna take this JSON, open up the example or the texture pack that you had, do assets, Minecraft, models, item, and then from this part here, just want to make this like this. Drag and drop the iron. Try not move item, but press iron shovel, then press copy, or just copy it. Then go to here and paste it. Iron shovel, and then this should pop. Then here you want to add a predicate, so you press comma, go press return, and then paste this this thing that I put in the description. So you want to copy it from the description and then paste it in here. So you're gonna see override predicate custom model data 1. Then here you want to do a custom / and then whatever this is called, and so this is called hammer. So hammer. After you've done that, you can press X, save it, and then this should be saved to here. This part then you can just double check by going in it, pressing double clicking and closing it. Okay, so from this part you don't need anymore. You can just close it up. And then you got here the texture pack. So here what you're going to want to do is go back, go to custom, and then here drag and drop into it. Then this should be good and closed up. So to install the resource pack, you got to go to options, resource packs, open pack folder. And after you've done that, you got this. Then get your resource pack, get it, and drag and drop it in. And that should be in. Close it up. And then if you go here down, wait, let me make it bigger. Do it like this. If I go down, here it is, example pack. Just press the arrow. Already be here and press done. And there you have it, it's installed. Then go in one of your worlds. So, now you're in, you can, wait, didn't mean to show that. There, here you have an iron shovel, but it's not the hammer that we made, it's not the texture pack. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there's one last thing you gotta do, ladies and gents. Do / give @s Minecraft iron shovel. Do that symbol there. Then you want to type in custom. Wait, don't say it is right. Sorry, custom model data 2 dots 1, and then just close it off with those brackets. And as you can see, it's all right. The number is 1 as you put in the resource pack. I'll just show you later very quick. Press return and you get one of your shovels. Works exactly the same. Here you can see the shovel digs like that, digs. I'm in creative, but it does dig. Iron shovel, and this this can be used on if you have a Minecraft server like I do, where it's just like your siblings or other people, and you want to have like a resource pack with custom things that maybe just you just want to have, and then the others not. Yeah, you can use this method. And yeah, and then you can use multiple one of those by just repeating the process, not making new resource packs. I'll then show you how you do it. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you do it. So you want to go to Minecraft, options, resource packs. Then you want to scroll down. Oh no, sorry. Open pack files here. Then you want to, I'm just going to show you how you do it. I'm just going to take it out very quick. And then I'm going to open it up. So here, you go into assets, Minecraft, models, item. So here you have the iron shovel. You can repeat the same process, but if you want to change like the iron sword, you just do the same thing with the iron sword. Same thing as in here. Copy and take it from the Minecraft thing. So you go into, so you do Minecraft. I just did a shortcut. Minecraft versions 1.16.4, your version, whatever you want. Minecraft models item, and they could just then you could just copy whatever you want. So you want, like, if you want a diamond sword, you can copy that like that. You can just right click on it, copy. I recommend doing it with the right clicking thing, not with Control C. That could mess it up. But copy, and then from here just paste it in. Then you can copy that what's in the description. Always remember to put a comma there. So it's gonna be like that. Here you want to put a comma. Then you do override, and then you just copy and paste whatever is in the thing. So yours is gonna be like like this. And so whatever you like, iron shovel, you did it. So you press comma, return, and then just copy and paste whatever is in the description. Then here, this part is going to be in the description, like that. It's going to be all in the description, like that. Paste it in, and then in here, the custom folder is where your model is going to be, and that's hammer. And so then you go back to item. Custom. There's going to be your hammer or whatever it's called. Then whatever that's called, you got to type it exactly like it is. So maybe just copy and paste the name, or just paste it in like that. Is exactly how it's done. And that says CustomModelData 1. It says take the data that's in here, the text, and then put it on what's going to give you the CustomModelData 1 is that. That's going to take it from this one. And yeah, and then if you want to do like multiple iron shovels thing, you just do a comma. You do a comma, and then you just continue doing it. Keep on putting this part in. Just this part. If you do that, then you press like comma, return, V, and then here you see you have that, and then here that's just a comma that makes it know that's that one's. Then here this number goes from you can't have 0, that's the iron shovel. You could go from 1 to 6 million, 16 million, I think. Yeah, 16 million, like that. And then the 2 there, and it can go to this number. Can go up to that number. So yeah, like that. It can go into 60 million just in this one. But then if you want to have like an iron sword that's changed here, you do the same thing as in the iron shovel. Put that in custom, whatever the thing is, the iron sword they want to replace with that. Do the same thing, and yeah. So I hope this thing worked for you guys. I really hope. Remember, I do content in English, Italian, and German. All those three. Yeah, if you want to, you can like and subscribe if you're new here. Just if you want to, if you like my content, and yeah, we'll see you. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye.